Hi, the reason for this little clip is because of problems people have with removing steering wheels that are held on by a taper as opposed to a multi-spline like a normal car. This steering wheel's got to come off because the steering box needs reconditioning. So what we have here is a little puller which has been made up especially for the job. It's very, very simple, and it's called a harmonic puller. All you do is place the puller over the wheel. You'll notice that I've left the nut on in a loose position because it acts as a locator for the bolt. And all we do now is pass the ring through these eyes. Okay, do you want to have a little look at that? It's so simple. Right, what we're going to do now is draw the bolt in, and we're going to make sure that the ring is suitably located, which it appears to be. Okay, I'm fairly happy with that. What we're going to do now is tighten up and at that point I'm going to put a left-hand glove on, health and safety, why not? I'm starting to get quite a load on it now. And there we go. Explain problems with this. So remove the ring, remove the harmonic puller. What I'm going to do now is just remove the nut. As I said before, the modern steering wheels have multi-spline. And this is held on purely with a taper, which is very, very strong. It's a bit like, should we say, like a track rod in. You know, you have to have a special puller because they really are on tight. Anyway, for what it's worth, my little harmonic puller. If you need any further information, please contact us. Thank you for watching.